In today's video, I'll show you how to fix bad microphone audio in Descript. First, let's start on the Descript home screen, where you'll find your recent workspaces. Click on the project you want to work on. I'll open up my recent project titled Top 3 Like GPT. It just takes a brief moment for the project editor and script to load up. Once your project is loaded and your transcribed text is on screen, direct your attention to the right side of the interface. In this Properties panel, look for the AI Tools menu. We want a feature called Studio Sound. Go ahead and click on it. This tool automatically removes background noise and enhances your voice to sound like a professional studio. You'll see a processing indicator at the bottom as Descript applies the effect. Once it says Studio Sound applied, the effect is fully active. You can easily toggle this effect on and off using the switch under the Audio Effects section to hear the difference. If the effect sounds a bit too aggressive, you have full control over it. Open the intensity slider right next to it. You can drag this slider to find the perfect balance. I'm going to adjust mine down to exactly 51% to keep the voice sounding natural while still removing the background room echo. Next, let's refine the spoken content itself. Head back to the AI Tools section and select Edit for clarity. This feature automatically removes filler words and awkward pauses. An intensity slider will appear. I'll move this up to a heavier setting for a polished edit, and then I'll hit Submit. Finally, it's important to track your account limits when using AI. Open your account settings and navigate to the Usage tab. Here you can review your lifetime AI credits and your monthly media minutes. You can see a helpful breakdown of which features consumed your credits. And that's it. That's how you fix bad microphone audio in Descript.